Alrighty, morning everyone! So, in today's beautiful video on this beautiful channel on another beautiful day, we are gonna recycle some transform... Where on earth did that come from? Anyways, I think I've changed my mind. Let's strip some wire. Alrighty, we've got some beautiful magic copper that randomly appeared here. So yeah, I'm really happy with that. For getting that for free, just like from nowhere, to be honest. I think it's pretty good. It looks really cool because this is actually almost like it looks very new, almost like this wire has never been used before. So that's really cool. And I would say it's approximately 150 grams, which is like, what, a quarter of a pound? Something like that. Maybe like a third. So, yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. For getting it for free, it's definitely really cool. And so, yeah. So let's try getting some more copper. I would like to have some more free copper, please. Oh. Fair enough, that's good stuff. But it's not enough to make a video. So can I, like, I don't know, have some more? Huh. Okay. Yeah, that's gonna be enough. Thanks. Well, thank you very, very much for watching whatever this just was. I guess it's not very healthy for my style of videos to have too much time on my hands because, well, I get ideas like that and I think, oh yeah, that's gonna be so funny. And then I watch it and I'm like, that didn't work at all. But oh well. You know, I hope that some one of you found that amusing and we are gonna go back to our usual style of videos shortly, but I just wanted to try something that I thought was funny for whatever reason. I don't know, don't ask me, but I had fun making this video and I think I'm gonna be, well, probably gonna be ashamed of it in a few years, but anyways, I think I'm still gonna upload this because I really like it and I actually put a lot of effort into it. So, yeah, that's that. Thank you very, very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like or a dislike or something like that if you want to do that, and also subscribe if you want to, but you know, that's free and you don't have to, so whatever. And yeah, have a fantastic week and I'll see you next time.